In this video, we have given that x power 9 minus 81x minus 62 by x cube is equal to 18 times cube root of 3x plus 2, and we have to solve it for real value of x. So in right hand side, we have cube root of something. So the first thing that come in mind is to cube both side. But we have x power 9 in left hand side. So if we cube both side, then we get an equation in x power 27. So we need to think it in a different way. So here we have x cube and here we have x power 9. So if we take x cube is a, and if we cube both side, then we get x cube power 3 is equal to a cube and x power 9 is equal to a cube, and we have cube root of 3x plus 2 and 81x. So if we take cube root of 3x plus 2 is b, then we can get 3x plus 2 is equal to b cube, or we can get x is equal to b cube minus 2 by 3, and 81x will be equal to 81 by 3 is 27 times b cube minus 2, or it is 81x is equal to 27 b cube minus 54. So x power 9 is a cube minus 81x is 27 b cube minus 54 minus 62 by x cube is a, that is equal to 18 times, and cube root of 3x plus 2 is equal to b, and it is a cube minus 27 b cube and plus 54 minus 62 is minus 8 by a is equal to 18b, and it is a cube minus 27 b cube minus 8 is equal to 18 ab, and it is a cube plus minus 27 b cube is minus 3b cube plus minus 8 is minus 2 cube is equal to 18ab can be written as 3 times a into minus 3b into minus 2, and we know that if x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, then either x is equal to y is equal to z, or x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So the case 1 is x is equal to y is equal to z, and x is a, y is minus 3b, and z is minus 2. And we get a is equal to minus 2 and minus 3b is equal to minus 2. And we have a is equal to x cube and b is equal to cube root of 3x plus 2. We have a is equal to x cube, that is equal to minus 2, and it is minus 3 times b is cube root of 3x plus 2, that is equal to minus 2, and minus will get cancelled, and we get cube root of 3x plus 2 is equal to 2 by 3, or 3x plus 2 is equal to 2 by 3 cube, that is 8 by 27, and we get x is equal to 8 by 27 minus 2 times 1 by 3. And here we get x is equal to minus 2 power 1 by 3. So we can clearly see that this value of x is rational and this is not rational. So these two values cannot be equal. So from case 1 we get no solution. And the case 2, x plus y plus g is equal to 0 and x is a, y is minus 3b and g is minus 2. Case 2 is a plus minus 3b plus minus 2 is equal to 0 and it is a minus 3b minus 2 is equal to 0 and a is x cube minus 3 times b is cube root of 3x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 and it is x cube minus 2 is equal to 3 times cube root of 3x plus 2. And again if we cube both sides, then we get an equation in x power 9. So we need to think it in a different way. So we can get x cube minus 2 by 3 is equal to cube root of 3x plus 2, and if you can notice, if we take a function y is equal to x cube minus 2 by 3 and if we try to find the inverse function, we can get 3y is equal to x cube minus 2 and 3y plus 2 is equal to x cube and x is equal to cube root of 3y plus 2, and if we interchange x and y, then we get y is equal to cube root of 3x plus 2, where these two are inverse function and this is same as this. That means fx is equal to f inverse x. And for any function, if it is symmetric about the 9, y is equal to x, that means if AB is on the graph and BA is also on the graph, then we say that these two are the solution of fx is equal to f inverse x. And the point of intersection of y is equal to x and the graph is also a solution of fx is equal to f inverse x. And we have y is equal to x cube minus 2 by 3. We have y is equal to x cube minus 2 by 3. And if we draw the graph of this function, then at x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to minus 2 by 3. And since it is a cubic, so the graph will be like this. And the graph of y is equal to x will be like this. It is y is equal to x. And in negative direction, it may touch the graph or cut the graph also, we don't know. But we can clearly see that this graph is not symmetric about the 9y is equal to x. That means we cannot get these type of points AB and BA. So for fx is equal to f inverse x, y is equal to x is the only solution for this graph. And we have y is equal to x cube minus 2 by 3. we get y is equal to x cube minus 2 by 3 is equal to x, and it is x cube minus 2 is equal to 3x, and x cube minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. And since it is a cubic equation, so by hit and try method we can get minus 1 is a solution, because minus 1 cube plus 3 minus 2 is 0. And we can also get 2 is a solution, because 2 cube is 8 minus 6 minus 2 is 0. And we have sum of root is equal to 0, and one root is minus 1 and one root is 2, and suppose third root is alpha, that is equal to 0. So we get 1 plus alpha is equal to 0 and alpha is equal to minus 1. So the third root is also minus 1. That means this line is touching the graph at x is equal to minus 1. This point is minus 1, and this point is 2 and 2. And the solution of this equation is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2.